Hello everyone. I hope we are live. Yeah, I guess we are live. So, anyone is watching, please let me know in the comment section if it is the audio and video is clear or not. So, anyway, let's start our session. So, welcome to this live resume session. Yeah, thanks Akhil for letting me know that this is live. So, welcome to this live resume review session. So today we are going to review the resume of Akhil, who is from a mechanical engineering background and wants to pursue his career into cloud and AI. And so Akhil connects me through YouTube comments. So connected me over a video where I discuss about top 4 AI ML certification in 2024. So he let me know his situation that he's from mechanical background and he is a AWS cloud practitioner certified. So can he get a job based on that? And later we connected over LinkedIn and he sent me his resume. So today I'm going to review his resume. So before we just started this video, I just wanted to give a shout out to my latest subscribers. So one of them is Neflimax, who subscribed me recently, Praveen Madupu, Parag Kulkarni, Chris Delin, Kaushal Jha, Saurabh Gore, Scott Anderson, Dev Tickets, Navdeep Kumar, Bemovan. So thanks to all of you who subscribe to this channel, and your support really means a lot to me. So let's start with our session of resume review. So, so this is the resume of Akhil. So, yeah. So let's first talk about some positives. So as you can see, this resume is very clear and neat and like no unnecessary things are there, no bright colors because this is not for a graphic designer where we need much color and so too much graphics and anything like in digital marketing or graphic designer it may work, but for technical position like cloud engineering, it is not a good choice to go with this because I have taken so much interviews and um, gone through so much interviews, so I know about this, like how this resume actually works. So yeah, so this is the very good thing, and the template is also really nice. It is very clear template, and I can see what I want to see immediately. It really put my attention on the keywords which I am looking for. So the template is really good. The Akhil chooses. So first thing, this is really cool. This is good. The name it should be highlighted first. So and he also named his like PDF. He sends me this in the PDF format, which is also good. You should always send your resume in a PDF format, and your name should always be there. And he also mentioned about the job he wants, like Akhil Cloud. So this is a very good thing to send resume like this. And after that, you can see he mentioned his mobile number. So one thing, Akhil, you can improve here is that you can include the country code because most of the job you will get about in the cloud field or AI field, you will get it from the MNC. So they might be your resume might go to some foreigner on-site engineer, senior engineer. So for them, if they wanted to contact you, so like if you include your country code, which is in case over India, it is +91. So it will be good for you. And also you make one another nice thing which you did is that you make this Gmail ID clickable. So this is really cool touch which you give. So this is also good. But you just for the LinkedIn profile, I can see that it is a clickable thing and it is routing to your LinkedIn profile. But you didn't mention like anything like you should mention the link here, not just write LinkedIn profile. If I just look at it directly at it, I will be searching, yeah, there will be some LinkedIn profile there, but I'm not able to see it. If anybody don't go hover over it, so they might be don't know that where is your LinkedIn profile is located. So that might be a problem for you. And you can see there is a bullet at the end, and there is no bullet at the front. So this bullet looks odd to me. I don't know. Maybe you can just remove it. It looks unnecessary to me. And so anyway, means it depends on you, but it looks odd to me, this bullet point at the end. So maybe you can look for to remove it, and like you can just directly put a link here, or maybe just a icon of LinkedIn. So that will be cool to see, like LinkedIn profile, or maybe just write LinkedIn. LinkedIn profile, I don't know. It doesn't match with your like resume template. And also I can see like there is a much gap between each letter, where in none of the letters matching with this format of your LinkedIn profile which you written. There is much gap between each letter, and there is which is not matching with the format of your resume. So now let's talk about summary. So in the summary I can see it is like okay, it is neither very excellent or neither bad, but yeah, you can put it if you want to put it. It is good to have a summary. And so next thing is you put a education, and you wrote about mechanical engineering. So this is not a very good idea, because you are applying for a cloud or AI job. So putting anything which is not related to it is not a very good idea. Even though you are a fresher, but you are not from a computer engineering background. I myself was from a electrical engineering background. So I did not put my engineering status right in the front of you. So one thing you need to keep in mind that whenever you are designing your CV, you should always consider one thing in very, very clear in your mind, that whom you are making for this resume for. Who is the audience? Who is going to see your resume? The one thing is one is the technical HR, and the another thing is senior engineer, or maybe a non-technical HR also. So you need to keep this thing in mind, that a technical person is going to see your resume, and a non-technical person is going to see your resume. So it should be like clear to both of them, and it should be like it is just a way to express yourself. So if you are applying for cloud and AI job, and you are saying I am from mechanical engineering, I am not looking for a mechanical engineer, definitely. So definitely you can put your experience or technical skills first, and education at the later part of the your resume. So I don't agree that this is a very good idea, because even I selected many persons for my team. So I don't, if I want to select you for my team, I would not go for with your resume at least. So here that mechanical engineering is not a problem, but like putting it upfront, it is not a good idea to do that. And here you mentioned graduation 2020. So I don't understand the idea, like why the graduation is written here. I don't think, just like here you mentioned the year, so no need to mention like 2020 or something. It is very clear that you cleared in just 4 years, like 2016 to 2020, like this. Because there is no proper template you are showcasing. Here you're writing graduation 2020, but here you're writing like full term here also. So it is not a very consistent. So better to put your education here and just remove this word graduation from here. And yeah, this pre-university, all this looks fine. This is all really a great percentage you have, but better to put your education below your technical skill, because like as a recruiter, I would be looking more for these technical skills and experience which you have in cloud and AI. So technical skills are design and modeling tools, SolidWorks and Micros. Same thing I would say here, because I know as from the electrical background that SolidWorks is a CAD software is used in the mechanical work. So you should not put right in the front of. I want to see uh, yeah, these certification I want. These are the really highlights of your resume. That automation anywhere certified, you are AWS cloud certified or Python certified. So I want to see these first. So this should be at the top. I want to see these keywords in your resume first. So, and I don't think like mentioning SolidWorks here really going to affect anything. But if you want to mention it, you can mention at the like look at the very end that design and modeling tools. You can mention even this Microsoft Office does not make sense in today's world. So, but you can mention them in the last point maybe. Better to mention first these certifications which you have in the AI and the cloud part, and then mention your programming and development part, and these later at the design and modeling tools. And so here is your experience. So I can see there is an indentation error. Like here I can see the C is outside of your indentation, and I can see here also like here M also is. And so this is looks like it is not in a proper format. Here also like C is outside and then M is there in middle and this C is totally inside. So it's not looking into a particular proper format. So this also you can improve in terms of this. But yeah, this thing you did good that you put your cloud technologies way above any other thing which you are looking job into. So this is a very good thing, good part of this resume. So yeah, this is really good which you put it. I suggest you can go for this certification from directly from AWS because Udemy offer these courses. You are not on this certifications called yourself AWS certified cloud practitioner because Udemy offer courses. You have to actually give an exam directly from the AWS to pass AWS Cloud Practitioner, and which is very simple and easy. You can easily crack it with just 1 2 days of work or learning from the AWS side. If you want, I can provide the like resources to you in the comment section, or we can talk over LinkedIn or in the YouTube comments as well. So I strictly suggest you to go for this certification and good grasp over IaaS, PaaS, and software as a service and other services. This is good. Knowledge of cloud services. This is also fine. Also, like it would be good if you like mention like simple services of AWS like EC2 service, S3, or ABS or whatever the services. At least you like watch the demos or you perform some demos. At least you start mentioning so they like have a clear understanding. You know like AWS terms. You actually worked on it. So it gives give us an idea by seeing the resume that you haven't actually worked on AWS at least. I can pretty much say by seeing your resume. Then you mentioned about your internship, automation anywhere. So this is good. So, but you mentioned learned here. So, like, as I'm looking for a like practical working experience, not for a like learning thing. So maybe you can, yeah, this is good. Like later you mentioned implemented. So this is what I'm looking for. Like you implemented something, you worked with something. So learned is not a bad thing, but mentioning in a resume it doesn't seem nice. So mention something like practical words like implemented, you worked with, so which is an action task. Okay. So, but here it is catching my eye that above one line you mention implement and below you mention implemented. So there is no like proper format and intonation. This resume really lacks that part. So yeah, but this is good. Like you done some challenges, you have good grasp over control room. You also know HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So this part is really good. You should keep these points like way above any other thing in your resume. I strongly suggest you about this part. So yeah, this concept of variables, operators, conditional, this seems nice to me that you have worked on so much uh, about these programming languages and different concepts you worked on. Similarly, here you also like learned and all this. So better to mention you worked on like some Python website, you work on some HTML, CSS, front bootstrap, you created some front end, right? Like this, that you actually worked on some practical projects. So it will be good for you. And this is also nice. Yeah. Oh, Akhil is there in the chat. So uh, yeah, I can see. Thank you. You are taking it in a positive manner, Akhil. Means I hope you are getting some value from this, from me, like your resume review. And if you need any other help apart from this, I'm there for you. You can like let me know in the comment section if you require any help regarding interview questions or anything. You please let me know in the comment section. Then you work for Nestle India as a trainee. So okay, this is for a mechanical work. So you mentioned about different your mechanical experience, breakdown analysis, inventory management. So definitely, who is looking for your cloud job, this they are not going to read it. So like no need to, as you I can see that you put your resume in 2 pages, which is also not a good criteria. Even after so many years of experience, even till now also I have my resume in just 1 page. Better to just remove like all these, you can say like mechanical engineer trainee. That's it. It is good that you mentioned years all year. Here also I can see indentation is not perfect. It is, I can see there is a slight bend over this indentation. So make sure you make this in a proper format. And so this is no use for the like cloud and AI job. So maybe you can remove it. And one another thing which I am noticing that here in the academic projects there is a gap between line and this, but I cannot see that gap in anywhere in the whole resume. So this also you can improve, I guess. So yeah, this you can mention that you achieved some like automation, microcontroller. So this will be good when you are working with the AI and ML part, that you have a practical experience on this as well. So this is a really nice touch. Here also like there is a gap between month and year, and here it is not. So better to have gap here as well. And you work with the iris. Yeah. So here like in the activities, learned word is good. And like all this is good. But on a practical experience, you should have the implementation experience or the practical work experience. So yeah, means I guess you should do all these improvement, and you should mention all these terms. Or um, if you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I am definitely there to help you. So I hope let's wrap up this video till here. I hope if anyone wants to get their resume reviewed, please let me know in the comment section. And if you have any idea or any you want to suggest any idea or any topic for the further videos, please let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. See you in the another video. Bye.